Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: a virtual environment, Python 3, 8 or newer, and the API key. Once done, open your editor and write a simple GET using requests or HTTPX. Set the URL, include authorization header with your token, and add query params as a dict. Send the request and print status code. This immediate feedback tells you if auth or URL is wrong. Make sure to secure secrets with environment variables rather than hard-coded strings. Next, focus on handling responses and authentication flows. You parse JSON with response. JSON, guard against key error with GET, and map nested fields into typed objects or data classes for clarity. Then implement pagination by following next links or page tokens until exhausted. Add retries with exponential backoff for transient failures and inspect headers for rate limit remaining. If the API uses OAuth, code a token refresh routine that exchanges refresh tokens and updates stored credentials without interrupting the app. Finally, validate and normalize the collected data, then persist it to your chosen storage, database, CSV, or object store, ensuring consistent schemas. Once done, add logging of request ID and high-level metrics, but redact sensitive headers. Schedule regular runs or use webhooks for real-time ingest, and implement graceful shutdown for in-flight requests. If something breaks, check status codes and rate limit headers first. Often the fix is adjusting retries, increasing timeouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.